One painting has been stolen 4 separate times, and it's the most recognizable face in the history of art. Edvard Munch's The Scream has been ripped off museum walls in Norway so many times that it became a running nightmare for law enforcement. The first theft happened in 1994, the same day the Winter Olympics opened in Lillehammer. Thieves broke into the National Gallery in Oslo, left a note that read, "Thanks for the poor security," and were gone in under a minute. The painting was recovered months later after an undercover sting operation. But that wasn't the end. In 2004, 2 masked men walked into the Munch Museum in broad daylight, in front of witnesses. They waved guns at the staff, yanked the painting off the wall, and drove away. It took 2 years to find it, damaged but intact. 4 thefts, different crews, different methods, same obsession. Criminals kept coming back to this one screaming face, proving that some masterpieces don't just haunt the people who look at them, they haunt the people who steal them too.